how to make ringtone for iPhone with GarageBand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a ringtone from any song that you have on your iPhone using GarageBand. So this is an easy way to set a song as a custom ringtone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we can get started, we need to make sure that we have the song file, an MP3, something like that, on our actual iPhone so that we can make it a ringtone. And you can easily download free songs from websites like pixabay.com. Once you get here, just swipe to the right, select music, and then they have tons of different songs that you can download for free. As you can see, 260,000 free songs that you can use as a ringtone. So once you get the song downloaded, find and open up GarageBand, which is a default app on your iPhone. It's also free if you need to get it from the App Store. And then once you get GarageBand opened up, go ahead and select the plus icon in the top right to create a song. Now, if you want to, you can create a song using different beats and instruments, but what we're going to do is just show you how to do it with a music file. So find and select audio recorder. And then once in here, all we need to do is select this little box right here with these 3 horizontal lines. This will bring us to our timeline. Then to add our music file, what we need to do is select this little loop icon and then select files. So it may have some files in here already, but if not, select browse items from Files app. And then you should be able to find the MP3 file or music file that you have on your phone. You can go through browse and look for it, but just go ahead and select that file, give it some time to load. And then once it shows up here, all you need to do is long press that actual music file, and then it will be brought into your timeline and you can let go. So once it's in your timeline, if you want to, you can select a portion of the actual song to be your ringtone. And you can do this by selecting the actual song here, and then see this little line right there. You can drag the actual song to cut off the front or the end of it right there, as you can see. And then you can just move it all the way to the front once you've cut off the portion and isolated what you actually want to be your ringtone. Keep in mind the maximum length of a ringtone on an iPhone is going to be 30 seconds. So once you have that cut and you're ready to save it and make it a ringtone, select this little drop arrow right here in the top left and select My Songs. Find the song that you were just working on right here, long press it, and then select Share, and then Ringtone. So now we can give that a name and make sure it's something you can easily identify in a list of ringtones, and then select Export. And if it was over 30 seconds, select Continue, and it'll just take the first 30 seconds of the song you made. Now we need to select Use Sound As, and then it gives you some options. So your standard ringtone, the sound that's played when you get a text, or you can even assign it to a contact. So I'm going to do the standard ringtone, and there we go. We've just made our ringtone, that song that we created. Now I'll show you how to find that in the settings so you can make it the tone for a lot of different sounds on your iPhone. So select Settings in here, then scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Then all you need to do is go down, and any of these different notifications, we can select it. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the songs that you've created right there. And if you select it, it'll then use that sound as your ringtone for that different notification. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.